Would you be embarrassed if somebody happened to walk by your bedroom? Oh my goodness. People seem to be in a rush and they just hurry, drop clothes when they're getting dressed, cannot make the bed. And then in the bathroom, there's all kinds of things on the counter, and the closet can look like a tornado unless you take the time to put it away. In Fresh Start, in the second week, we go through that whole closet with my 3-step method. We do the hanging clothes, we do the floor, and we do the shelves. And then we go to the bedroom and we get rid of all the things that are on the side of a bed, and it's all cleaned up. You feel like a retreat. And then finally we go through the bathroom. Oh boy, and get rid of all the excess makeup and lipstick and shampoos. You feel like your room is a personal retreat. That's what we do in Fresh Start. Join me. I will coach you as I coach everyone else too. Join me.